Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set camera timer on Samsung mobile phone while clicking photos. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do is that you have to move on camera. Then from here, when you have moved on camera, here you are going to find the off option. So just click on the off option here. After that, when you click on off option, you are going to find this 2 second, 5 second and 10 seconds. Okay, you can select from here any timer. After that, try to click photo, and here when you click photo, it will capture with the timer. See, it has been moving right. I put the 5 second and it will capture with the 5 second. Okay, so you can set the timer like that. Okay, and if you want to off, you just click on this icon again and click on the off option and it will be set off. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.